My calves are stubborn, so I train them like two little baby bulls. That's it. Baby bulls train every day, so my calves can train every day. Every day for 30 days. But we need a place to start. Let's go measure and see how much they grow. Come on. Let's see what we got. Call that 13 and a half. Well, it's a starting point. 30 days. Here we go. Day 1. Day 2. Always on a step. Day 3. 4. Day 4. Day 5. Day 6. I wonder if they're growing yet. Day 7. Day 8, and I think the soreness from doing this every day is starting to wear off. Let's keep going. Day 9. Day 10, we're going to dinner. We're getting this done first. 11. Day 12. 13. Day 14. Day 15. I think this is around the time that it starts to get hard to keep track of what day I'm on. 16. Day 17. 18. Day 19. Day 20. Day 21. Day 22. Day 23. 24. 25. 26. Day 27, getting close. I can feel it. 28. 29. Day 30. Then it's time to measure. Let's go see if anything happened. Okay, time to measure. It's been 30 days in a row working out these calves. Let's see if they're baby bulls. I started at 13 and a half. I'm half excited, half preparing for disappointment that nothing's changed, so. Well, hey, I think we can call that about 14 and a quarter. Right about there. So that's almost an inch. I'm actually really excited about that. Almost an inch from 13 and a half to 14 and a quarter. So I could rest, take a little time off, and then do this challenge again and see if we get an inch. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Here's my full fitness challenge playlist. I think I have some more coming up, so subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you at the next one.